my loves, thank you so much for joining me today. I am very excited, and thank you so much for being part of this. Do you have this? A shampoo? Yes, you do. Do you have this? I think so. And do you also have this? Yes, that's why you're here. You have a curly human hair wig, a straight hair wig, and a wavy hair wig. But what's the question? Do you know how to maintain it? Do you also know how to wash it? Because today I will be taking you through step by step how to achieve this smoothness, cleanness. It's very easy, very easy. All the products I have used, they're all here with me, and I will show you how to do that. This is a 13 by 6 curly wig, and I have worn it several times, and it's very good quality hair, as you can see. Today I will be cleaning it. I will show you how you can clean your wigs, because I have realized I have shown you how to style different or several different types of wigs, but I have never shown you how to clean them. Remember, it has this, and I have worn it several times once again, and I will try and clean it and maybe style it even afterwards. Sit down, grab a cup of coffee, and if possible, boil some warm water. Make yourself some tea. I will now go right ahead and make sure the hair has no knots. Another thing is just make sure the water is lukewarm and not cold or too hot. It has to be lukewarm. After wetting the hair, now grab your shampoo and spread it on the hair immediately. Generously apply the shampoo on the hair and make sure it's at all the corners of the hair. Every inch of hair needs to get the shampoo because it's meant to remove all the dirt. Rinse off the shampoo. Add the second round of shampoo, and remember, you can use any type of shampoo that you're comfortable with. In this case, I am using the argan shampoo. Rinse it off as well, because remember, the first round of shampoo is normally to remove the dirt, and the second one is just to remove the excess, just in case there was anything. Now add conditioner. This is the most important part because you want your hair to be locked with moisture, a lot of moisture, and that normally comes from deep conditioning. This is not really necessary to deep condition. You can just condition, and after some time, maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you can already remove the conditioner, rinsing it off, I mean. I like using a generous amount of conditioner because this is the most important step with maintaining your wigs, maintaining your hair. And remember, use a wide tooth comb because you don't want to have excess shading, and also you just want to keep the curls locked as well. At this point, I am still spreading the conditioner because I want it to enter into every inch of the hair, and I will continue to comb it and make sure the hair is completely detangled. I don't want any knots. So here I will go ahead and put the microwave, or also put my oven on. I want to steam the hair because I want the conditioner to penetrate on the hair. On the oven, please don't use too much heat. Just put like a maximum of 5 to 10 minutes because you have to keep on checking if it's going on well. In this case, I will just use the microwave because it's quicker and it's easier. I will put it on for 5 minutes, and let me tell you, voila, the hair is so moisturized, you have no idea, and it's steamy. You can see there's a lot of steam coming out of it. The hair is so soft at this point. Oh, it feels like it's new. I will just go ahead and comb it and just make sure it's in order, it's not tangled. Rinse the conditioner off completely. And after this, I will just go right ahead and style the hair, because the easiest way to style curly hair is when it's already wet. See how smooth, how silk. Oh my god, I can literally just place my hands in there and it's slippery. Style your hair when it's already wet. You can put a mid part, a side part, and you know, it will look so good just as usual. Today I will be going on with the wet look method. I love the wet look because it makes the hair look very good, especially on the curls. They look well defined. So I will use the gel, and I will use this gel because it's a very strong gel, and it will keep the hairstyle on for a long period of time, which is like more than a week. Go on and spread your mousse, hair mousse. In this I will use the curly mousse and the normal mousse. The curly mousse is usually not strong, so normally I just use it, but it's not really I wouldn't recommend it. So I normally spread the mousse on the hair and make sure the hair is wet when you're doing this. Another reason why I prefer the normal mousse, which is like the strongest one from that company, is because the number 4 is very strong. So that means the hair will be styled the way I want for a long period of time together with the gel. I now want my hair to look healthy, so I will add some almond oil, not so much, very little almond oil on the hair just to make it shine and make it look healthy, and voila, there you have it. The Got to Be glue spray helps me with styling of the hair because it will make it lay flat, and also the curls will stay intact. And I'm just trying to do this so that my hairstyle will be able to last like more than a week. I will flatten my hair on the front part with a bandana, and I will wait for it. Remember, I'm still doing this when the hair is still wet, and we will wait now for the hair to dry. And here is the wig. I put it here so that it dries very well, and also it's neat, so that's the reason why I have a band on the front, because the band helps me put the wig on and off without using the glue. Now it's dry, and I will just go ahead and remove the bandana. You have to go. I'll pick it up later, don't worry, it's just for this. And now I will remove it from here, which is going to be a very easy process. Yay! And now I will just put it on my head. In case I need to add foundation or powder, I will definitely do it on the front side, but you can already see it's so sleek. Now you can see I have already put the wig on, and that's the hair, by the way. So it looks wet, but it's not wet, it's a wet look. And I actually see no need of adding any powder here because it lies on very well. In case you want to make it a little bit fuller, so you go ahead with this big brush and you just do that. Let me show you on the side. There we go. And to flatten this part, there's a little bit of powder on my hair, and that's normal. I will have to, okay, just dusting it off like that. Put on my earrings, and in case I need to add any head accessory, I will do that. So with my earrings on, I can leave my hair like this, and I think it looks very good. I can also continue doing this with my hand to like give it fullness. And I can also go ahead and put on a head accessory, because if it's too much all over the place and you put a clip, it looks really messy. I just want something different for this. I have these 3 beautiful pieces, and I will try, and they're all from Primark, by the way, so in case I want, I can put that there, and it looks very, very elegant. I really love this look. There is my hair. Ooh. Oh my, so lush. I can also put this one here as well, and wow, what a difference, what a difference. So there you go. It's up to you to play around with the hair. And if you're going for an event, why not show up like this, you know? Why not show up like this? So you have seen how I normally maintain my hair, and I am very happy that you have watched this video up to this point. And I hope to see you next time. Just don't forget to subscribe, share this video, hit the bell button, and in case you have any questions, don't forget to contact me on Chinese Kiki on Instagram. I also have my email on my Instagram. And thank you, and see you next time. I love you. Bye.